Hello everyone, welcome to the Thrust of Curiosity. We are here with another video on Q&A session, and this is National Space Day on 23rd August. So we will discuss some questions related to space science.
My first question is how the universe is created.
Okay, well, no one was there at the time of creation of the universe, but there are various theories, and what is acceptable is the universe is started to create from a single uh, what we can say energetic point, we can say, uh, and then it was expanded, and then we have different other theories also, but this is most acceptable, that we call as a big bang theory. So after big bang the universe is started, but there is a rate of expansion of the universe, and that rate of the expansion is not constant throughout the time from the big bang to till date. So it initially started very fast. Okay, so within few microseconds the universe is expanded with so many times, and then the rate of expansion is slowed down again. Now the rate again is increased, so it is not expanding with the fixed rate. But yes, this is how the universe is created, we can say.
And what are their different theories?
As I told, Big Bang theory is the main theory we consider, but there are some other theories also. In Big Bang theory, what happens is the universe is started with the some small point, and then all universe is created out of that. There is one theory, you might know our famous scientist Jayant Naralikar. He's there in that theory, Hoyle Naralikar theory. So they believe in the oscillating universe theory. This means the universe is not created; it is there, and it can expand for a while, and then it can contract. It can expand again. It can contract. So these oscillations will keep on. So the universe will not create, or it is not created, or it will not vanish. So this is one of the theory. There is one more theory also, we can say, that is called the big crunch theory, just like Big Bang theory. So it will now it is expanding, and it will expand, and one at what we can say, at some point it will break down, everything will break down, and it will collapse again to a singular point. So again, there are some variations. I guess more than 10 variations are there. 10 to 15 variations are there. Says that okay, there is oscillation, but it will again end, or it will again start, whatever. Yeah. So there are some other theories also there.
Okay, you can say oscillating theory means oscillating, and Big Bang theory means it's only expanding. Can you tell me BBT in detail?
Okay, the main feature of BBT, that is Big Bang theory, it is started with some point, and it is a spontaneous process. Okay, it is not any forced process. There are some forces coming out of that. Okay, initially there were no forces because no one was there to measure the forces. So then what happened is few forces were started to come out. Some weak nuclear force, strong nuclear force, then electromagnetic force start, and at the end gravitational force started. So after expansion, actually that was started, gravitational force started, and because of that gravity, still the center was so massive. And what happened is, because of the creation of matter, this matter is created out of the energy, we can say equal to mc square. Again, that we can use here, because there was pure energy initially, and that was converted into the matter. We have some laws of conservations, like we have conservation of energy. Initially it was just energy, but now we have energy plus mass, that is conserved. Then we have conservation of momentum and conservation of angular momentum. So to conserve the angular momentum, the mass started to rotate. Okay, there were some region, some mass, more mass was accumulated. There they started to become a cloud, and that cloud later created some stars. And again, at the center there was, if there was some mass, and then that mass cannot attract all the mass in the nearby, so that there were also some points where small masses also there that were created as a planets, and some of the masses converted into stars. Still the star will have more mass, and therefore the planets will revolve around that star. So this is the basic theory, and therefore usually there are some exceptions, but usually the planets will revolve around the star in the same direction. So we know in our solar system also, every planet is revolving around west to east around the sun. Only there is one exception, that is Venus. Venus is revolving in the opposite way. All other planets are revolving, and therefore you can see there is not just revolution, there is also spin to the matter, because initially everything is rotating, and because of some centers formed during this, they are started to rotate around itself and around the more massive masses that can be a star, or these stars also rotate around some centers of the galaxy. There can be some black holes around inside the galaxy, and they started to rotate around that. This is how our universe is created. We do not know what happened exactly in the beginning, but this is what we can extrapolate. This is what we know now, and from that we extended that timeline to backwards, and then we started, okay, this might be happened. So we cannot say surely that this is only happened. So we don't have this exactness of the theory.
And why the BBT is most acceptable theory?
Okay, so the basic reason of Big Bang theory being most accepted theory is it can tell why the universe is expanding. You can see there is still universe is expanding. Suppose two bodies approach towards each other, then it shows blue shift, or we can say it the light shifts towards the violet or blue side. And if they are moving away, then they show red shift, because as they move away, the wavelength becomes larger. This means the energy is reducing, that we observe. So that we can, most of the universe is running away from each other. Most of the things show red shift, and therefore this thing can be explained with the help of Big Bang theory, and therefore it is most acceptable. There are many things, but this is the main thing. Because of that, we can say Big Bang theory is most acceptable theory. But there are some failures also for the Big Bang theory, and these failures include some of the stars or some of the galaxies do not show this redshift. They are approaching towards each other, just like our galaxy and Andromeda galaxy. They are approaching towards each other, and this may convert into the collision of these two galaxies. There are few collisions of or mergers of black holes also. There are some evidences. So there we are also thinking whether this Big Bang theory is also true or not. Because of the gravity, the all galaxies and stars, they should merge into each other, and that is not happening. So though the gravity is the weakest form of force, at very heavy masses, this is most strong force. So the galaxies, the all things should merge into each other, and that is not happening. So there must be something which is pulling out each other, and that is not known. So we know dark energy is the reason we are saying, but we don't know what is dark energy. We are just saying that this is something which is pulling the galaxies away from each other. But there are certain things, there are certain questions which are still not known. So I think this is enough for this video. And if you have any questions, please put in the comment box, like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon so that you can get the notification when I will upload the next video. Thank you for watching.